Message to the Lightworkers and Starseeds. Greetings, stellar beings. Earth offers an abundance of valuable experiences for humanity. It is a supreme teacher of learning. This is a demanding task that involves every human being in ascension, to see and know themselves at a metaphysical level beyond what they were made to feel and believe. Everything that is consciously programmed is stored in the human body. This is why it can be challenging in many diverse ways. Unlearning will take more time as we are clearing all this life we have lived consciously, as well as all the other lives here that were also affected. Everything is stored in our Akashic record and general understanding. Our presence on Earth is planetary and deliberate, providing those who are ascending with infinite opportunities and greater potential for personal and metaphysical development through the lessons and experiences that surround us. Great changes are expected to continue throughout this month as the new energy of Earth is intensifying considerably, with the beginning of a 3-day solar flare. As we move towards the end of this month, the frequency and intensity of the energies arriving are expected to increase, which will lead to significant changes in many who are ascending. For some ascendants, it may be necessary to slow down and allow the new Earth energy to work positively for the now established higher purpose. Take enough time to rejuvenate, reflect on past progress, and heal any superficial residue of the past self. It's about seeking balance and creating new beginnings for the expansion and expression of the true self. Activations of the higher self are underway for the ascending starseeds during times of significant transformation. You may lose connections with certain individuals because they are no longer aligned with your inner vibrations as you are moving forward. This is very beneficial for your growth in ascension. This is spiritual maturity and metaphysical development. You will connect with others on your ascension light path. There will be other like-minded ascendants who will share your vibrational frequencies and support you while you seek to live from a metaphysical expression here on the ascending and loving Earth. Stay well hydrated for the physical and energetic changes. This will help avoid headaches. Eating when the body needs it can alleviate nausea. Grounding through earth-connected exercises will help relieve anxiety. The key is to listen to the physical body, as its needs may change during these releases, alignments, downloads, and recalibration. May and June will bring significant changes for all ascending lives and many opportunities for new beginnings. Any fact now will be essential and necessary to be led in the direction of the higher purpose of the soul and destiny. Awakening has its price. It requires questioning all internal beliefs, facing the most uncomfortable truths, and making challenging choices. It requires feeling physical pain and also offers the opportunity to release external control. It is like healing internal duality and living a full life guided by the higher self. We will meet again stronger, wiser, connected to the source, the higher self, expressing the reflection of the soul. You are here to use the illuminating power of divine love and to transform darkness into light. You are imbued with divine energy to draw on your unique gifts and skill set. And also, you are here to change the collective consciousness towards love, healing, compassion, and unity. The most challenging aspect for Lightworkers will be overcoming self-love in this life, and you are already making incredible progress. This is what is accelerating the collective consciousness. Divine blessings. This message is dedicated to the loving service to the Lightworkers and Starseeds. I am Commander Ashtar Sharon. What a wonderful message. Light will always be our path, sending much light to your being. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light in the service of humanity and illumination of the new Earth. Voice by We Are Positive Worldwide.